Welcome to my channel, IT Solve Hub. So we have it right now. We have a Dell as customer bring it to the stores, and this laptop has a storage issue. So this is a very common, is a very good laptop. It's a very old one a little bit, but it's very good. It has a lot of the port on here, on left and right here, and also has the industrial port for some of them the devices. So what we need to do, we need to replace the hard drive on that one and make them the Windows loading up. First and first, before then open the back cover on the laptops, we need to remove the battery. If you slide this one, it automatically remove the battery on these laptops, and we put the battery on here. So after we remove the battery, we have a two screw here. If you see that, guys, we have a two screw here. One screw here, one screw here. So we can able to remove these two screw with a very nice and screwdriver from the iFixit company. I love it. Its quality is very good and has all the functionality. You guys need that. And put my screw on the magnetic, and then you see that how I am remove the cover, guys. And do that one more time to make sure you guys able to see that. This is the cover. After you open this two screw here, just you need to push from the top and automatically cover go out. And after cover go out, you see that the back of the older laptops. On here we have a hard drive here, and also we can able to install the SATA on here. We have a port here, and also this is a backup battery for the keep the BIOS. This is the two RAMs. These are the fan for the cooling of the system. This is a DVD writer, and we are need to be remove the four screw on here, but customer has before lost this two screw, but we have a two screw here. We need to remove this two screw. Make sure, guys, you remove these four screw and keep them safely. So I'm going to remove these two screw. It's very easy, it's not too hard. If you liked my channel, please hit the like and subscribe for the next tech video, and share with your friends. Thank you. So right now, after the remove these two screw, you see that one here, if you hold it and push yourself hard, is released from the SATA port. And after the release, you need to just a little bit make them up and get them out. So what we need to do, we need to replace this hard drive SSD. This is a 512 gigabyte hard drive. Maybe I think the hard drive has a corrupted and is not working properly. And after the hard drive installation, we need to install the Windows. But the original Windows on this laptop is the Windows 7 Pro. But we can able to install the Windows 8.1, maybe 10. And also I can able to install the Windows 11. But based on the customer request that we need to install the Windows 11. I know, guys, this is a very old laptop. It's too hard to install the Windows 11, but we need to follow up the customer decision. I can show it on the next video how to install the Windows 11 and make them the bootable thumb drive for the old PCs. So after the replace this hard drive, we are going to install the Windows, and we get back to you guys. Thank you so much for you watching this video, and I hope so you guys has liked this video. Bye bye.